Hey there, explorers! Welcome back to our channel, where we delve deep into the teachings and principles of Christianity and embark on a transformative journey through the realms of faith and spirituality. Today, we're diving into a deep and thought-provoking subject. How will God judge us on Judgment Day? It's a topic that resonates with many of us, stirring up questions about our actions, choices, and the ultimate accountability we may face. Join us on this exploration as we navigate through the complexities of divine judgment and ponder the significance of our deeds. We'll unravel the mystery surrounding what factors might influence God's judgment and how our lives may be assessed on that fateful day. So, buckle up for a reflective journey as we delve into the profound and seek a better understanding of the spiritual aspects that shape our destinies. Our beliefs guide us with the understanding that Jesus arrived on earth not just to reveal the way to eternal life, but also to save us from the severe outcomes of our wrong actions. This profound message is encapsulated in Revelation chapter 22, verse 12, where Jesus assures every person a reward corresponding to their deeds. Let's delve deeper into this concept. What criteria will God employ to assess us on Judgment Day? And what does this significant day entail? In essence, this invites us to ponder the intricacies of divine judgment and gain insights into the nature of this impactful day. The idea of Judgment Day holds a significant place in the Bible, highlighting the crucial moment when our destinies are decided following our time on earth. This profound event involves God, using His boundless wisdom, carefully reviewing our innermost thoughts and intentions, identifying those who have sincerely devoted themselves to His path. As stated in Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 14, it serves as a gentle reminder that God will fairly assess every action, making a clear distinction between deeds that align with goodness and those that lean towards wickedness. God's ultimate goal in this process is to extend salvation to all individuals and warmly invite them into the blissful realm of paradise. This concept encourages us to reflect on the moral aspects of our lives and fosters a deeper understanding of God's benevolent intentions for humanity. To delve more profoundly into this significant occurrence, we direct our attention to Matthew chapter 25, verses 31 to 46, a section of the Bible that beautifully portrays the scene of Judgment Day. This day is envisioned as a time when every person, even those who may not have been familiar with God's teachings, will be called to stand in front of the divine judgment throne. Our conscience, that inner guide steering us toward what's right and wrong, plays a crucial role in this momentous event. Those who listen to their conscience, leading lives of virtue and goodness, will be granted the privilege of inheriting God's kingdom. On the other hand, those who disregarded their conscience will confront the serious consequences of eternal fire, emphasizing the solemn reality awaiting those who chose to turn away from righteousness. Reflecting on Matthew chapter 25, verses 31 to 46 allows us to grasp the intricacies of Judgment Day and underscores the pivotal role our conscience plays in determining our fate. Examining Acts chapter 10, verse 42 provides valuable insights into the intricate nature of the judgment process, uncovering that Jesus Himself will be the one evaluating each person on that significant day. It is essential to recognize that God's judgment carries a more profound meaning than simply being a form of punishment. Instead, it serves as a powerful message of forgiveness and a testament to the vast extent of His limitless love. In the course of judgment, believers will find themselves standing before the seat of Jesus, where they will encounter the full extent of His grace and benevolence. This revelation invites us to contemplate the compassionate aspect of God's judgment, emphasizing the opportunity for redemption and the unfathomable love that accompanies the evaluation of our lives. Now, let's take a closer look at the criteria that God uses to assess humanity, and these standards are closely connected: how we follow His divine law and the invaluable blessing of salvation through Jesus Christ. When Christ walked the earth, He exemplified the core principles of God's law, showcasing its holiness through an abundance of love. Our relationship with God is jeopardized when we turn away from Christ's teachings. As beautifully expressed in Psalm chapter 9, verse 8, God is set to judge the entire world based on the righteousness defined by His law. So, our adherence to His divine principles and our acceptance of the redemptive gift offered through Jesus are pivotal aspects in the evaluation of our lives. This exploration urges us to ponder the profound connection between our response to God's law and the transformative grace found in the teachings of Christ. The idea of righteousness is intricately linked to our obedience to God's law, a truth strongly affirmed by Psalm chapter 119, verse 142. God earnestly wishes to witness the growth of righteousness within our hearts because it serves as a guiding force, leading us to embrace His grace, renounce sinful actions, and unwaveringly tread on the path of righteousness that He has laid out for us. Sin, on the contrary, is defined as the transgression or violation of God's law, succinctly expressed in 1 John chapter 3, verse 4. In comprehending these principles, we come to recognize the importance of cultivating righteousness in our lives, as it aligns with God's desires and fosters a profound connection with His grace. This understanding encourages us to reflect on how our actions align with God's law and motivates us to strive for righteousness as a way of honoring His divine guidance. In our contemporary society, it's a common occurrence to place our immediate wants and wishes ahead of God's divine intentions. This inclination often results in the commission of the very sins outlined in Galatians chapter 5, verses 19 to 21. Regrettably, these actions can act as stumbling blocks, hindering our journey towards an everlasting life in communion with God. However, amidst this challenge, there remains a glimmer of hope. Jesus, in His teachings, imparts valuable guidance on the pathway to securing eternal life by adhering faithfully to God's commandments. Thus, even in the face of our human tendencies, we discover a transformative opportunity to align our lives with God's will, and, in doing so, unlock the promise of eternal life that Jesus graciously presents to us. It's important to highlight that certain individuals are exempt from undergoing the final judgment. Specifically, those who are part of Christ's bride or the martyrs hold a unique status in this regard. The martyrs, having demonstrated unwavering faith and endurance in the face of trials, have already undergone purification through the precious blood of Christ. Similarly, those who are considered part of Christ's bride share in this purification. The assurance of their exemption from condemnation is explicitly stated in 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verses 31 to 32, affirming that they will not be subject to the same judgment as the rest of the world. This exclusion from the final judgment underscores the special status and divine favor granted to those who have remained steadfast in their allegiance to Christ. When we contemplate the prospect of Judgment Day, it becomes crucial to delve into the intricate dynamics of the celestial courtroom. At the center of this divine tribunal stands God the Father, as vividly depicted in the descriptive passages of Daniel, chapter 7, verse 9 to 10. Picture Jesus assuming a crucial role as our advocate, passionately and resolutely defending us. His defense is grounded in the compelling evidence of His sacrificial act, demonstrating the boundless love that serves as a powerful testimony on our behalf. In contrast, Satan, recognized as the accuser of every brother according to the book of Revelation, takes on the role of prosecutor. His task is to present a case against us, emphasizing our shortcomings and failures. This celestial courtroom scenario unfolds as a cosmic drama where the eternal destiny of each individual is determined, showcasing the interplay between divine justice and the contrasting forces at play. As the day of judgment draws near, it's important to keep in mind a significant aspect of this impending event. Each of us already holds one vote in our favor from the Lord, who passionately desires our salvation, and one against us from Satan. However, what makes this process truly remarkable is our ability to actively impact the final decision. We don't have to passively await the unfolding drama in the celestial courtroom. Instead, we can take decisive action right now. By opening our hearts to God's offer of salvation, openly acknowledging our mistakes through confession, and committing ourselves wholeheartedly to follow Him, we possess the power to influence the outcome in our favor. This empowering reality highlights the importance of the choices we make in the present, showcasing our capacity to shape our destiny and align it with the benevolent intentions of the Lord. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this and sharing it with fellow Christians seeking a mindful connection with God. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below to share your thoughts with us. Remember, God's judgment is an opportunity for forgiveness and a demonstration of His love. Stay blessed and see you next time.